the chairman of the BOT, the most respected members of the NWC, my colleagues, governors that are here, Your Excellencies, the two former vice presidents, and other distinguished members of NEC, members of the media, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Like my colleagues from the other organs, I rise to bring you felicitations and compliments from the Nigerian Governors Forum, the PDP chapter. We in the PDP Governors Forum, we are united, and of course, we are very thankful and showing gratitude to God and to this very important party, this association that has given us the opportunity to blossom and actualize our various aspirations. The governors of the PDP are united and poised to give support to all the organs so that they can perform their constitutional functions. And that we have decided that at no time would leave the organs of the party feeling despondent or in want. We have been working assiduously to make sure that all the off-season elections have been well funded, and of course the working committee is working. And we are solely behind the current leadership of the PDP at the National Working Committee level and the BOT. We really appreciate their performance, and we reckon and recognize that especially the BOT, we have an array of experienced elder statesmen who can really leverage on their resources and human capital to take us to the where we want to be as a nation. We also recognize that all eyes are on PDP, especially with the governors, and we are poised to bring peer review mechanism, so that we will bring good governance, which will be diametrically opposed to what is happening in the APC. We want to make sure that we make you proud and bring good governance in all ramifications. And with all humility and modesty, you recognize that my bosses, the governors, are doing very well. And I think they need an applause. Having said that, we know we have suffered as a party. Our presidential candidates suffered injustice, and some of the gubernatorial candidates suffered injustice. At so many levels, we have legal infractions, but certainly it is not for us to bring rancor and division within the party. We recognize there are some gaps in the leadership recruitment and in aspirations outside, the lingering perception, and of course the strategy of our detractors who are lingering and waiting somewhere to see us implode or explode. Definitely, I must appreciate members of caucus and members of the BOT that we have held meeting with, and now the NEC, that we will not give our detractors the opportunity to see what they want, creation of faction and faction. PDP is too much for that. We appreciate the opportunity Nigerians have given us, and we are going to work with modesty and humility, with little resources, to take us to the higher heights that PDP is known for. My colleagues have already explained that during our tenure at the center, we brought all the legacies that you can see, reminiscences of good governance here and there, but this is not there. But it's not just for us to sit down and allow Nigeria wallow in hardship and in melancholy. We have to really establish the framework so that we can take them to the next level, or the place where they want to be, rescue them from hunger, poverty, and want. We thank you most sincerely for giving us the opportunity, and we need to enhance communication and remove gaps so that there wouldn't be any sense of mistrust and suspicion between us, which is the want of the day. We believe that with the poise of the National Working Committee and BOT to do that, our elders, the BOT members and other members of NEC, will continue to give the support and give the leadership of the party the benefit of doubt, so that at the end of the day, we will be able to unify the party and move it forward. Thank you very much.